Hello everyone, if you are looking for a high-quality mockup template for your jersey designs, you're in the right place. I spent a significant amount of time creating this mockup template, and I'm happy to share it with all of you. Please check the comments for the download link. Before using the template, I kindly ask that you watch the video until the end to fully understand how it works. The file is password protected, and the password will be provided during the video, so let's get started.